What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I am with the missus here today. It is a special occasion today because it is the missus's birthday.
Hey.
29 and fine is what she's calling it, right, honey?
That's right.
All right, so we are headed actually to a Lexus dealership, Lexus of Arlington, because she wants to check out a Lexus RX350 F Sport and NX300 F Sport. She wants to test drive them and see how she likes it, because she's so used to the GSF quality on the inside and the amazing sound system. She wants to upgrade from her current car. Her car is a 2013 Honda Accord Coupe V6, fast as hell, but it's a two-door, so she wants to get something bigger because she's sick and tired of crawling in the back. So it's all understandable. We're going to check out some cars. I'm going to get some footage for you guys. Stay tuned. And we're back, guys. We just test drove the RX350 F Sport. The wife decided not to even test drive the NX because when she sat inside of it, it was tiny. and I told her from the beginning it's gonna be too small and she won't like it, so that's what happened, right honey?
Exactly.
So what are your thoughts about the RX350? How do you like it?
It's very nice, nice and smooth, fast for a big car like that. It's nice.
There you have it from the woman herself. She likes it. I think I sold her into the Lexus life with the GSF, you know. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Stay tuned for the next one. I should be ordering my tandem lowering springs for the GSF soon. See you on the next one.